from Sooner Standards, intellectual property law, helping or hurting innovation, complete grades 9 to 10, level 1, computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard L1.IC.SLE.01. Students learn to describe the beneficial and harmful effects that intellectual property laws can have on innovation, using copyright, patent, and trademark law as evidence. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group, and individual activities, a vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 or 4 Daltonses of no-prep instruction across 44 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers